We started this about 8 years ago. We thought it'd be a good idea to help out with men's health and awareness. We have the grade 8 9s be leaders, help out with the day, and then of course we have a bake sale and the kids get their mustaches painted on to kind of help support, and then usually we try to get a face paint, a picture of all the teachers with all the kids with all their mustaches on.
It's definitely got better because more practice and just more like commitment and more people learning about it and helping out.
Chan recruits some of his awesome student volunteers, and they come from our MCP program and our mainstream program, and it's usually some of our grade 8 and 9 kids that help with some of the face painting. He kind of resources all of the kids and staff. He put it out there and asked if we could get somebody to make the cookies, and Miss Glegloff in her foods class made the cookies to make it happen. So everybody has a little bit of an investment in a different way into making these things come off the ground, and that also helps when the kids know that their friends are the ones that are participating. They tend to buy in a little more too.
Which staff member has the best stash?
I personally like Mr. Bradshaw's mustache.
Parkland School Division, where the world opens up.